Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a chocolate bundt cake. The only thing is that this recipe will be the chocolate cake recipe that I made in the past. I'm going to link that in the description. And I'm also going to be making this a little bit smaller because, why not? So let's get started. Let's prepare our bundt tin. I'm going to give it a spray and I'm going to add some cocoa powder and get it all around the sides. There we go. Moving on to the batter. I'm going to add in some flour, sugar, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and we're going to sift in our cocoa powder. I'm going to get my whisk and just whisk everything together. Alright, everything is the same color, so we can move on. Now I'm going to add in my milk, oil, 2 eggs, and some vanilla. I'm going to get my whisk and whisk this together. Alright, looks good. We're in our hot water. Now I'm going to add the batter to both the bundt pan. Alright, now let's go bake this in the oven. Moving on to the ganache. For the chocolate, I'm going to be using this that I got from Easter. I'm just going to cut this chocolate into little pieces so it can be easier to melt. Literally nothing more satisfying than cutting up a bar of chocolate. Alright, this is all set. I'm going to add the chocolate to our bowl. Amazing. Be adding a little bit of butter. Pour over some hot, heavy cream. Give it a little shimmy. Get my whisk and whisk this up. Right now, let's pour the ganache over the cake. Now I'm just going to smooth everything out till it looks nice. Alright, I think it is done. Okay guys, that is a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I look different just because I forgot to film the outro, but it turned out to be amazing. I can't cut into it because I'm giving it to someone. Alright, videos every single Saturday. Subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.